Hi, welcome back to our channel. Just want to give you a quick guided tour of a Carrefour market located here in Barcelona. As you see, we are starting off in the hygiene section. This section is very easy to navigate, self-explanatory. It's on your way to the back of the store where things begin to feel a little disorienting and you can start to feel like you are in a maze. In this section of the store, you're going to find your milk products, any dairy products. They also have a small seafood selection. And this part of the store is also where you will find the packaged deli meat as well as cheeses. Basically, all things dairy are located here. I do want to make a quick note that this location is significantly smaller than the other Carrefour locations around Barcelona. So if there's something in particular that you are looking for, I would definitely recommend going to one of the larger locations. Most of them are just a quick tram ride away depending on where you're staying in this beautiful city. This location happens to be right by our apartment, so we just always find our way coming here. In the front of the store is where you're going to find your fresh produce, also your packaged chicken, hamburger meat, and pork. This is also the section of the store where everyone is checking out, so it can feel a bit chaotic when you arrive in the front portion of this store. I do recommend purchasing the bags that they sell. They do sell cold bags and dry good bags. It's definitely worth it. You do have to bag your own groceries, so it saves on time. And these bags are pretty sturdy, so if you have to walk any amount of distance, you can ensure that you will get your groceries back safe and sound. I hope that this video was helpful, and until next time.